all too focused on winning immunity that you're not noticing the universe-shattering consequences above you. Others can clean that mess. I'm not losing again, golf ball. This is more important to you, maybe. You have no idea what it's like to be stuck in a classroom for 6 years. I tried to be a good leader, to be the one to get us out of there, and Robotty was the one to save the day in the end. And now everyone I knew and trusted is gone. And the people I do know won't even talk to me. So maybe I want to avoid being put back up for elimination. Maybe it is more important to me, because I can't go back there.
Go back there. Maybe those failed debuers were right. Maybe changing the past.
Save me!